Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Happy Preschool Teacher. In today's video, we are going to learn about Cash Level 3 Unit 1.1. Explain the professional role and responsibility of an early childhood educator in terms of knowledge, skills and behavior. First, I will show you how to structure your assignment and then I will explain each part clearly. You can organize your answers into these sections like Introduction to Early Year Educator, different roles in early year settings, responsibilities, knowledge, skills, professional behaviors, at the end, conclusion. And in this video, I will also show you a sample of my assignments so you can understand how to write it clearly. An early years educator is a professional who works with children from birth to 5 years. They support children's learning, development and well-being following the EYFS framework. Alright, now that we understand the role, let's move on to the different roles in the setting. There are different roles within an early years setting. These include early year practitioner, who works directly with children, senior practitioner, support staff and leads activities, supervisor oversees daily practice, coordinator organizes curriculum and planning, manager responsible for the whole setting, key person supports a specific group of children and builds close relationships. In addition to this, there are some specific roles like health and safety officer, safeguarding officer, SEND coordinator, it means special educational needs coordinator. Each role supports children's development in different ways. Okay, now that we understand the roles, let's look at the responsibilities. An early years educator has many important responsibilities: supporting emotional attachment and secure relationships, meeting children's care needs, for example, feeding, hygiene, comfort, supporting play for development, tracking children's progress through observation and assessment, building partnership with parents, ensuring health and safety at all times. These responsibilities ensure children feel safe, supported, and ready to learn. Now let's move on to the knowledge required. Now we are going to look at the knowledge an early years educator must have. Child development, policies and procedures, legislation such as safeguarding laws, theories of play, evidence-based practice, curriculum. Good knowledge helps us plan and support children effectively. Now let's move on to skills. Okay, now let's look at what skills we must have as an early years educator. Organization skills, supporting children's independence, creating a creative and inclusive environment, building strong parent partnerships, interpersonal skills, communication skills. These skills help us work effectively with the children and families. Now let's move on to professional behaviors. Professional behaviors are essential in early years practice. Let's discuss the professional behaviors aspects from an early years educator. Showing respect and empathy, having self-awareness, demonstrating commitment and accountability, coping with stress in a positive way, having a sense of humor, showing patience and understanding. These behaviors create a positive and supportive learning environment. Now I want to show you a sample of my assignment. Here I explain the roles clearly. You can see how I wrote about responsibilities in simple way. And you can see the knowledge, skills, behaviors. You can pause the video here and take notes. Alright, now let's finish with the conclusion. In this unit, we explain the professional role and responsibilities of an early years educator. We looked at 5 main parts: the roles within an early years settings, the responsibilities of supporting children, the knowledge required for effective practice, the skills needed to work with children and families, and the professional behaviors expected. All these areas are very important because they help an early years educator provide safe, supportive and high quality care in education. To conclude, good and effective early years educator must combine knowledge, skills, and positive behaviors to support children's overall development. I hope this helps you understand Unit 1.1 clearly and supports you in writing your assignment. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.